In this video I'm going to show you how to use the MM6 song function, and this is where you can begin to record your own notes into the sequencer. First I want to point out some of the preset songs that are included in the MM6. If you press the song button, you'll see you can shuttle through the different categories here: user songs, preset songs. Right now on presets it's set to urbanistic. We can exit out of this. If we want to, you can also use the dial to scroll through these. Let's go ahead and press the play button at this point and preview this preset song. You can see that there's a measure progression up here at the top. I want to point out also at this time that you can mute out individual tracks. Simply hold down the track select / mute button and click on corresponding tracks that you want to mute out. You can see in the preview here as I mute these that the little square on the outside goes away and indicates that they're being muted. Bring those back, just simply click on them again. We can also even mute out the pattern track. Let me show you a couple other features here as well. You can fast forward and rewind. You can also pause and then press pause again and pick up where you stopped at. Let's go ahead and stop this at this point. See, it brought us back to measure 1 here at the beginning. Anytime you stop, it's going to do that. Now let's go over some of the procedures for recording your own music into your own tracks. The first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure and press the song button, and this time we're going to use the category increment to go to user songs. We'll go ahead and just store this in song 1. So select the song slot that you want to store it in. 1 through 5, by the way. Now we're going to begin a record operation. The first thing we do is we press the record button, and then you're going to select which track you're going to record into. You do this by holding down the track select and then pressing the corresponding track. You'll notice that number 1 here under play track lit up, says record now. So we can begin recording at this point. That was just a simple recording. I want to just show you how this works. Now let's hit play and we can preview this. Now you may be thinking it might be easier to play along with a rhythm. You can also do this as well. Let's go to the record, and this time we're going to hold down track select / mute, and we're going to select the pattern track. And whenever you do that, the finger and autofill automatically lights. So anytime that you do that, it's basically set up as in standby mode, where it's waiting on you to press a chord down here to begin to record that pattern. So let's go ahead and just hold down a chord here and we'll record a couple measures. Stop there. Now it's writing the recorded pattern and the bass line and all the accompaniment into the pattern track. So now if we preview this, you can see that's going to be recorded in there. So the next thing I like to do is re-record track 1. You can do this very easily. You don't have to erase the data that's already in track 1. You just simply have to set up another record operation for track 1, and that data will be overwritten. So we're going to press the record button and press the track select / mute button and select track 1 again. And now I can just hit the play button here and I'll hear my rhythm section, then I'll replay the part or perhaps a new part. Something like that works. We'll just go ahead and stop this and preview it. Okay, now at this point you might want to go ahead and build up another track section. It's very easy. All you have to do is go ahead and just press the track select button and press 2. You have to first be in the record operation. Track select, press 2. So we'll go ahead and change the voice that we're using here. Let's go ahead and select maybe some strings. Something like that. Go ahead and preview this again. So now we have 2 tracks recorded with the pattern.